Hello and welcome back. This is Stevie Bucks Coins, and we're going to do a review of a Christmas coin from Canada for the year 2023. This coin is slightly different from a normal standard coin. This is a 3D type coin. If we take it out of the box, we have this beautiful plush case for it, and we have, there's the coin. On that side we have the Queen Elizabeth II's portrait, frosted on the background, and the beautiful clear, let me just bring that in a little bit for you. The beautiful clear portrait of the Queen over the frosted background. Now this coin is called Santa's Sledge. Now let's see if we can get now if we tilt it, you will start seeing different things being shown on the coin itself. It's not the most obvious, which is why I'm trying to get it out of the coin capsule. But this coin capsule is child-proof and idiot-proof and sleeve-proof. I wonder if Chris has actually seen this coin, as he is partly Canadian anyway. If I tilt it there, can you see you have the sleigh with all the presents on it, and if you tilt it across in other directions, you see other figures coming into the picture. Oops, let's just get it all the way in. Now this coin, Change Checker had a whole load of them. I'll say a whole load of them. They had a limited number of these coins. Canada has been renowned for this. In the past, I've done the videos at Christmas on their Christmas coins where they had children doing snow angels, and the other one was as you tilted it and moved it around, it had a family throwing snowballs towards you, which was a bit different. So this is the third coin that I've had with these 3D animation type coins. I've been impressed with all of them. I wish I could get this one out of the case, because I could probably show you better what's going on. But do you like these sort of novelty coins? Well, the novelty coins at the moment, because they're not so widely used, but do you think, would you like the Royal Mint to do one similar to this for a Christmas coin? Would you like to see a series of them? These are novelty ones, as I say, at the moment. I don't think the Royal Mint has quite got the colour down fully at the moment. The snowman this year looked as if it was a printed decal rather than a coloured coin, in my opinion. Now, there are people that disagree with me, and they're perfectly entitled to. But whether the Royal Mint could master something like this, they probably have to go across Canada and see how they do it, as they seem to have mastered this quite successfully. So there you are, the Christmas coin for this year for 50-cent 3D one from Canada is Santa's Sledge, with different types of presents depending on which way you tilt the coin, and elves and such like. I like this coin and I'm very happy to have it in my collection. What do you think? Would you want to have it in your collection? It wasn't overly expensive. I think it was about I think it was about 25, 28, about 25 to 30 pounds. So a little higher than normal coins, but it's special because of the 3D type stuff that's on there. Tell me what you think. Have you enjoyed this video? If you have, please give me the thumbs up, it doesn't cost you anything. If you've not already joined, or you're not already subscribed to the channel, I'd love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, militaria and collectibles, all of which I tend to cover on this channel to a lesser degree apart from the coins and banknotes, which are fairly regular, which are the regular parts of my channel. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. And in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, thank you for watching, and from me, until we meet up again, bye bye, ta-ra now.